Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I make my infinity wrap tops. They're very cute, very easy and simple, and very versatile. The looks are endless when it comes to these types of tops because you can really make it into anything that you want. You are basically your own designer and all you really need is some fabric. I'll be using fabric from a gorgeous fabric store called Shaeden African Fabrics. I linked their Instagram page below, as well as their website in the description box. Check them out when you get a chance. I'll be using roughly 2 yards of fabric for this tutorial. I'll also be using a previous head wrap or wrap top as a template, in addition to using new measurements from scratch. When it comes to cutting your fabric, you can either cut one long piece or 2 half pieces. For what I did, I basically folded my fabric in half and lengthwise 60 inches. So when you double that by 2, by folding it in half, it comes to 120 inches. So you just want to make sure that you're able to wrap the fabric around your body at least twice. And you can also add more inches if you want, because I find the longer it is, the more looks that you can have. But you also don't want it to be too long because it could be too much to manage. Now this part is optional, you don't really have to do it, but all I did was just narrow the ends, so the tips, I just shaped it in a triangular form, just to make it easier, I guess, at the top when you're tying it. But if you want to leave it as a rectangular shape too, you can do that, but I just wanted to add that extra detail. Now that I have cut my fabric piece for the wrap top, I'm going to take it to my sewing machine or serger. You can use a zigzag stitch if you have a sewing machine, but I have a serger, so I'm just going to serge the edges so it's smooth. So that's all I'm doing. I'm basically using white fabric so it kind of blends in with this fabric. You can serge it and fold it in and stitch it again, but I'm just going to serge the edge just so it doesn't unravel. And I meant to say white thread. I'm using white thread so it blends in with this fabric. As you can see, I have finished serging my fabric. And now you can play around with the looks and the styles when it comes to wearing your infinity wrap top. So here I'm just wearing one style that I really like, and it's very easy, right? So like once again, the longer you make it, the more you can tie it and make other little designs here and there. But yeah, take your time, play around and see what looks you come up with and how many. Thank you guys for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this short and quick tutorial. Don't forget to thumbs up and like the video. Also, if you have any comments, feel free to write down below. I love reading comments. And also, if you want to follow me on Instagram, you can follow me under the same name at Denise_Oforiwah. So stay tuned. I have more DIYs coming. And thank you guys for watching. Bye!